Hi, I'm Tim Gibson. I'm going to talk to you about how to select carpeting. Now, basically when we look at carpeting, there's a couple of things we want to take into consideration. If you're looking at rooms that you're going to use wall-to-wall carpeting in, you want to look at how much traffic that those rooms get, and that'll determine the type of carpet you get. And then as far as the style and the color of carpet you want to get, you want to really determine whether this is a home that you're going to live in long-term, or if this is a home that you're looking at some point to resell. To maintain resale value in your home, when you're looking at wall-to-wall carpet, it's usually a good idea to stick with neutral colors and with something that is not on the extremes of a very traditional carpet or a very contemporary carpet. Something that has a shorter pile, medium pile, so that it wears well. If you tend to go at extremes, then you might limit your possibilities when you actually go in to resell your home. Now, if you're in a high traffic area, you probably want to consider something like a Berber carpet. Has a much more durable surface to it, so it takes a lot of wear and tear. And that's usually good to use in playrooms or high function rooms, high traffic rooms. Now, in areas that you do use a wall-to-wall carpet, you might also consider using area rugs. Area rugs are what you can bring in and allow you to bring in your own element of style without a large investment. And also those area rugs will serve to protect your investment of your wall-to-wall carpet so that you can get a longer years of wear and get more value for the money that you invest in your carpet. So essentially, again, to kind of sum up, when you're determining how to select your carpet, you want to look at the wear areas, the traffic areas, and the durability that you're going to need. A shorter nap all the way down to a Berber is going to give you a higher wear. The deeper your pile, then the more wear it's subject to and a little more care to keep it looking good. So I'm Tim Gibson with some tips on how to select carpet.